In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Amazon FireStick from Spanish to English. Start by navigating to the home screen of your FireStick using your remote. Scroll to the Settings menu, which looks like a gear icon, and select it. From there, go to the Device or My Fire TV option, depending on your FireStick model. Next, select Language, where you'll see a list of available languages. Choose English from the list, and your FireStick will automatically update the language settings. If you're still seeing Spanish in certain apps, you may need to change the language within those apps individually. Go to their settings to adjust it. Additionally, ensure that your Amazon account's default language is set to English by visiting the Amazon website and updating your preferences under Account Settings. Once everything is updated, your FireStick interface and menus should now be in English. If this video helped you change the language on your Amazon FireStick, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.